In North America, back pain is one of the most common reasons for seeing the family doctor. And roughly 1/3 of all Americans have had or suffer from back pain. That is close to 100 million people with back pain. For some, it's a dull pain that's only mildly annoying. Yet for others, it can be completely debilitating, leaving people almost paralyzed in pain. Many people associate back pain with slipped or herniated disc, and this can certainly be painful, but is actually not that common. Most back pain is attributed to fatigue, strain, arthritis, or some type of injury. For many people, chronic back pain can be caused from bad posture, and for others, it may be caused by not sleeping well. Certainly, there are many factors to consider when looking at the root cause of chronic back pain. Most patients with back pain are given anti-inflammatory medication and painkillers. These may offer short-term relief, but will do nothing to cure the root cause of the pain. Some patients are happy with this and move on, yet others are looking for long-term relief from their ongoing back pain. Whole body vibration therapy is being used more and more frequently for treatment of back pain. Physiotherapists have long been using vibration machines to treat patients with back pain. They have found vibration therapy helps to relax back muscles, increase circulation to the back, and also dramatically reduce swelling from inflamed muscles. These are key components that can increase a person's flexibility and can mean the difference between living with pain or being pain-free.
Like Sylvia pointed out, for back pain therapy, we want to do a few specific things, such as massage the back muscles. We also want to increase circulation and reduce inflammation in the back at the same time. To get all the things we're looking for here, we need a multi-motion system. So the best choice for this job is going to be the Genesis Sport. It has the spiral rotational mode, which we'll use for reducing the swelling. And this machine can also give us the soft triplanar mode we need for our circulation concerns. The Genesis Kinetic has the same motions as the Genesis Sport and is slightly larger. But for demonstration purposes, I will be showing you the exercises on the Genesis Sport. Okay, let's get to it. Like I mentioned earlier, we want to focus our attention on exercises that increase blood circulation in the back and reduce inflammation. The first exercise here is a side leg lift. We're primarily working our abductor group muscles and our glutes. They're responsible for moving the thigh to the side of the body, and they help keep the pelvis in the right position. This is also a great way to increase circulation throughout your body, as you are utilizing major muscle groups with these movements. Utilizing the VibraPro Genesis Sport machine while performing a side leg lift will help to increase the range of movement in your hips. Performing a side leg lift also helps strengthen your abductors, which will make everyday movements more efficient and much easier. This is a controlled exercise movement, which is safe on your joints, so you don't need to worry about your joints getting inflamed with this exercise. Shift your weight onto your right leg, allowing your left leg to lift slightly off of the machine. Use the handlebars if necessary to maintain balance. Bring your leg to the side of the body, keeping it in a nice straight motion, only a slight bend at the knee. Once you've reached to the side of your body, lower your leg back down to neutral. Continue again on the same leg for 10 to 15 repetitions. Once you've completed all 10 to 15 reps on one side, shift your weight onto the other leg and continue to repeat the same motion. You're going to continue this exercise for 2 to 3 sets as you feel comfortable. This exercise focuses on the lower body. You're mainly working the back of your legs, your glutes, and your hamstrings. However, your stabilizer muscles, your core and shoulders are being worked as well in an isometric setting. This exercise will help decrease weight and aid in weight management. It will also increase blood circulation and reduce swelling. You're also helping correct your posture by developing the muscles in the back along the spine, which will help keep your body in a straight, upright position. It's a great exercise to help reduce lower back pain. To perform this exercise, you will need to grip onto the front of the machine. Shifting your weight onto one leg, slowly lift up your knee and bend it. Bend slightly over at your hips and extend that leg out behind you. Make sure you have a nice straight leg all the way down and engage your glute muscles in this exercise. Bring that knee back into the center of your body and continue to repeat this exercise for 10 to 15 repetitions. If you do not feel stable continuing to kick your leg out behind you, feel free to stop, place your leg back down, lift it back up again, and continue the exercise. Once you've completed all repetitions on one leg, shift your weight onto the other leg and continue the same exercise. Repeat this exercise for 2 to 3 sets as you feel comfortable. This routine will help improving the strength in your lower body, which will in turn help with the core strength and back muscles. The glutes, the hamstrings, and the quadriceps are being worked when performing a knee raise. Your core is also building as it's being used as a stabilizer muscle. Knee raises not only increase strength and mobility in the hip and knee joints, but also utilize your aerobic energy system. This helps to maintain a healthy weight, keeping your heart strong and assist in core strengthening, which will take the pressure off of your lower back. When your core becomes stronger, your back doesn't have to work as hard to keep you in a standing upright position. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. If needed, grip onto the handlebars in front of you. Shifting your weight onto one leg, lift your knee up all the way to hip level, bending it at a 90-degree angle. Pull your tummy in nice and tight. Lower that leg back down to the ground and switch to the other side. Continue this exercise for 10 to 15 reps on each leg and for 2 to 3 sets as you feel comfortable doing so. This routine helps improve your core strength and muscles in your lower back. You're working your upper trapezius muscles, rhomboids, deltoids, and your erector spinae. These are most of the major muscles in the back. This exercise will strengthen the back, which will help reduce any back pain. It will also help in reducing any swelling in the area by increasing blood circulation throughout your body. This exercise is very controlled and safe on all your joints, which makes a great back strengthening exercise to perform. Let's get started. Begin by facing the machine. Grab onto the resistance bands found in front of you. Cross the resistance bands over onto opposite hands. Sit up nice and tall. Pull your core in and roll your shoulders back, opening up your chest and keeping a nice straight posture position. Gripping onto the handlebars, bend your elbows up so they go up slightly past shoulder level, keeping your hands right in front of your chest. Once you reach the top, do a slight squeeze of your back muscles and slowly relax your hands down back to neutral position. Continue to repeat this exercise for 10 to 15 reps and 2 to 3 sets as you can.